Every Hermes or OpenClaw tutorial you watch, someone has either ChatGPT or Claude learning in the background as the brain. And yes, the results looks great, but what if you just wanted to test the thing without pulling out your card? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. Google's Gemma 4 is open source and its free tier is genuinely generous. And most people don't realize that you can plug it straight into Hermes. Of course, it's not in the default list of models. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. Let's get started. So let's look at some more details about Gemma 4. We're going to focus on these three models. The first one is the 12 billion parameter model, which has a context window of 32,000. And then the other one is a 26 billion parameter model with a context window of 128,000. And then the main one that we're going to focus in this video is the 31 billion parameter model, which has a context window of 256,000. Before we continue, if this is your first time visiting this channel and you like content like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Let's continue. Another thing that we would be interested in are the rate limits. And for Gemma 4, we can see here that it has generous rate limits within the Gemini ecosystem, because we can see, for example, on requests per minute, we can see that Gemini 3 Flash has 5 requests per minute, but Gemma 4 has 15, followed by Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite. And then for the tokens per minute, we can see that Gemma 4 has unlimited, which is very good. And then for request per day, we have 1,500 requests per day. I think that is generous enough. And then for the next good part is creating an API key. So for you to create an API key, you need to go to API keys. Once you're here, you're going to create an API key. So I'm going to click on create API key. You're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Gemma 4, and then I'm going to hit create. Now we have this token that we can copy. We're going to come back to this a bit later, but let's now go to our Hermes agent and see how we can configure this model. All right, so I'm assuming that you already have Hermes installed. So we're going to go ahead and start with the first command. So the first command is going to be Hermes model, and this is going to give us a list of the model providers. We are going to select 14, which is Google Gemini. So I'm going to select 14 here, and then we have two options. The first one is the Google AI Studio, and then the second one is Google Gemini Auto. We're going to use the Google AI Studio because we created our API key inside Google AI Studio. So it's already the default. And here it is asking us, because I already have an API key here, it is asking me to keep, replace, or just clear. So I'm going to type R just to replace the token, and it is going to ask me to now add the token. So to get the API key, we said you have to go to aistudio.google. I'm going to copy the API key that I want, and then I'm going to come back here and paste it inside here. I'm going to press enter, and this is going to configure that token. Now it is asking me for the default base URL. I'm going to select this, the default one, and right here now it is asking us to select one of these models. But as you can see here, there is no Gemma 4. So to configure it, we need to go under we need to select 14, which says enter custom model name. So I'm going to insert 14, and it is going to ask us for the model name. So the model code is Gemma 4, and then we are looking for the 31 billion parameter model, and then we're going to finalize it with the IT instruction tuning. I'm going to press enter, and this should set our model as the default model. Now I'm going to run the second command, which is Hermes, and this will start our Hermes instance. If everything works, if I say hi, it should give me a response. And yeah, there you have it. It says, hi, how can I help you today? So as I was looking at the command prompt, just a final thing, I realized that it came with a 500 error. So what I did was, of course, it responded to our question, but then it came with a 500 error. I just tried to write the message again, and now here you can see we have a response. So you may meet these 500 errors, and if you want to see them, you can go in your dashboard and you see the 500 errors that are happening and all the errors that may happen. So that's it, guys. That's how you set Hermes with Gemma 4. So you cannot expect the results of using Claude or maybe even Open AI's AI models, but this will give you a head start. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, feel free to subscribe. Until next time, have a great time.